For remote-first companies, communication tools are at the heart of collaboration. Teams need a platform that keeps conversations organized, supports quick decisions, and helps maintain culture across time zones. Two major players dominate the team chat space: Slack and Microsoft Teams. Slack is known for its simplicity, speed, and modern design. It focuses on real-time messaging that feels natural and human. Conversations in Slack are organized into channels, which can be for teams, projects, or topics. You can easily switch between discussions, share files, and jump into direct messages. Everything happens fast, making it easy to stay in sync without feeling formal or rigid. One of Slack's biggest strengths is its ecosystem. It integrates with thousands of apps: Google Drive, Zoom, Notion, Asana, and countless others. This means teams can automate notifications, share updates from different tools, and even build custom bots to streamline daily tasks. Slack's search function is also powerful, letting you find past messages, files, or links instantly, which is invaluable when working across time zones. The user experience in Slack is friendly and flexible. You can customize themes, set reminders, use message threads to keep discussions organized, and create focus modes to reduce distractions. Slack also supports voice clips, video huddles, and lightweight screen sharing, making quick conversations feel personal without scheduling formal meetings. Now let's look at Microsoft Teams. Teams is part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, which means it deeply integrates with tools like Outlook, Word, Excel, and SharePoint. If your company already uses Microsoft Suite, Teams fits naturally into your workflow. Conversations, files, and meetings are all connected, allowing employees to collaborate on documents in real time without leaving the app. Teams takes a more structured approach to communication. Channels are organized within teams, which often align with departments or projects. You can chat, host meetings, and store files in one place. The built-in video conferencing is robust, making it easy to move from text chat to a full meeting in seconds. It also includes features like background blur, live captions, and meeting recordings, which are valuable for distributed teams. Where Teams really stands out is in enterprise management. It offers strong security, compliance, and administrative controls, making it ideal for larger companies that need centralized IT oversight. Integration with Microsoft Planner, OneNote, and Power Automate allows teams to build complete workflows directly inside the platform. If your company wants a modern, customizable communication hub that keeps remote work human and spontaneous, Slack is the better choice. But if your company needs an all-in-one collaboration system tightly connected to Microsoft tools and workflows, Teams offers unmatched integration. Both platforms keep remote teams connected, but the right one depends on whether you value freedom and speed or structure and centralization.